Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Really popular. That way the sites don't fall down or slow down the way that they did years ago. But the issue is that increasingly the internet has been centralized around just a few of these services, with many of the biggest all depending on just a few of these companies. And so even if there's just an accidental...
Oh no! Oh no! Jesus Christ!
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.